clear.
All right, here's Pete fixing to take a Stinson up for a redemption flight.
Redemption flight. Huh?
No crashy smashy, Pete.
Well, that's my middle name.
I tell you what, my first 2 years, I wrecked probably 50 airplanes.
He flew his big cup the other day.
Oh, nice.
Good. And it flew really nice for him.
All right. You remember wind's coming off of your right shoulder.
Give it a second, it'll die down. Where are we going?
Oh, that was a nice shot there with it going through the water.
Now do that again. This time do it on the landing, okay? Get down about 5 feet before that and see what happens. Ooh.
No.
No. Same thing.
All right, at least it didn't do the any real big stuff. Man, look at all them dragonflies buzzing out there. Perfect. Look at that rollout.
Oh yeah, hey, there you go.
A little more throttle, a little more throttle. There you go, man, like a boss.
You got it. Ooh. Okay, throttle back some so you won't be so sensitive. Not a lot. She ain't. Yeah.
Whoa. If you need help with it, holler out. Preferably before you're 10 feet off the deck. You need help?
I got it.
All right. Yeah, you're coming down below half on that throttle. That might surprise you with a
Tip stall.
Unexpected meeting of Mama Earth.
Yeah,
The problem is with this model, it has such a tapered down point on the wings, you lose lift in your turns. And so you really either got to keep them relatively flat or increase your speed or a slight angle of attack. In other words, a little bit upwards. She definitely does not fly as user-friendly as your apprentice in timber does. Now you're still without gyro, right?
I have no idea.
Yeah, you didn't have it when you took off, so.
At least we don't think you had it. I don't even know where it is now.
Oh, okay. I wouldn't worry about it then. You're doing fine without it.
So have you got a radio with a gyro in it? A receiver?
Receiver, yeah, it's Admiral.
Huh?
It's an Admiral.
Okay.
A little more throttle. You're coming down below half on it still. There you go. That's your sweet spot, around 70% on this one, it looks like.
Yeah.
Well, your redemption flight's going fabulous, Pete. I'm going to find some wood to knock on now. I'll be right back.
Knock on my head. Settle down.
You settle down.
That's what I mean, I gotta settle down.
No, you're doing a lot better.
Jump is long.
You're doing fine.
You want to go into a lower rate on your elevator? We'll flip the switch for you.
Trying to approach here.
What's that you say, Jim? Altitude, speed,
And brain.
power, and
yeah.
altitude, speed, power, and skills. You got to have two.
Yeah.
I really like the way the Stinsons look.
Yeah.
One of my favorite older aircraft.
You're doing fine. You're in the brush.
Right.
And you got pretty good throttle going right now, but you're not really a barnstorming the field, so your battery may be getting a little low.
It is. I hear it.
Nice little wind straight off your back.
Yeah. You slowed up a whole lot. Yeah, you're doing fine. Watch out for the frog.
Perfect. Look at that. That's all right.
Frog.
These bumps out here on the turf, man, makes it almost impossible to keep
Yeah.
the nose up if you don't have the elevator full up. Outstanding, Pete.
Well, I wish the landing was better.
No, the landing was fine, believe me. Out here on this grass, uneven turf, you hit any bump at all or have just a slight off judgment on your elevator, it's going to tump over. I tump them over all the time. Nice job, Pete.